So this is our new AluView slider. It is a slider that implements a 1-inch sightline. So as you're opening and closing this, once it's closed, you have a straight sightline down, because our standard lift and slide technology comes with an 85 millimeter interlock. Right here, you got your 1-inch. I mean, it's a very cool system. This is demonstrated in triple pane. We can also do double pane. You can reach. This is drainage. So you can pour your concrete flush to the top of this. You have all your drainage, which then can be routed out and plumbed to somewhere else on the vicinity. Yeah. It feels wobbly right now because this just kind of lifts out.
But I can tell though that's got a really nice.
Oh my goodness! When the top is locked in, it's really an impressive system. And then this can be all flush sunk because this all carries through at the same dimension. You have this flush in the floor. I think we can do up to 12 feet with this system if I'm
up to
14 feet in height. So I mean, you can make,
Wow.
yeah.